customer think there is a problem with his transmission. He said from stop, and then when you accelerate it, started at 35 miles per hour higher, he can able to hear pop, 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 that kind of noise. And I'm like, I don't think that's a transmission issue. I don't think you can able to hear it, guys, but it started at 25. There's like boop, 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 boop. There you go. I can hear it back there. So it's back there. It's not here in the transmission. What I think is the rear diff coupler. Yep, that's what I'm thinking right now. All right, we are now in the parking lot. And I was just hoping you guys can able to hear this, but I doubt it. 7 miles per hour. We're gonna turn right here. There we go. I can feel it. It's like bup, 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 bup. Bup, 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 bup. Let's go ahead and put this guy on lock. And it's gonna make a lot worse. There you go. Oh my goodness. Ooh, bug, bug, bug. I got bug, bug, hug, 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 hug. All right, hug, hug. Ooh. There we go. Bug, 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 bug. Yep. I think we know the problem here, guys. It's not the transmission. The problem here is the rear diff coupler. So I drew a line right here, and there is a dot, a yellow dot right there. And here is the yellow dot. I'm gonna go ahead, when I install it, I'm just gonna go ahead and line it up right here. So yeah, I got 14. All right. Okay, stay there. Don't go anywhere. You go unplug this guy. Yeah. We're gonna need a tool to unplug this. There you go. All right, I got 14 millimeters swivel, 6 inches extension, and another swivel to remove this bolt up here. There we go. There we go. Whew, it is out. There we go. A little more. Okay, so yeah, here we go. Here we go. It's a lot better if we put it in neutral. Here's our yellow dot and the line we created. So yeah, we're all lined up. Okay. All right, so I think this scanner is capable of resetting the ECU on a all-wheel drive. So let's select intelligence diagnosis. We are scanning right now. All right, select diagnosis, automatic search, press OK, select USA, press OK. Okay. All right, we know that already. Let's select special selection. Here is all-wheel drive control. Special function. And select clutch learning reset. There is a condition here. Ignition on, engine off. Press OK. All right, completed. turn ignition off for 10 seconds. Then turn back on after 10 seconds. All right. Then press OK. That's done. All right, guys. I'm excited to take this for a test drive. All right, guys, we're back here in the parking lot. I'm gonna make a right turn here slowly. So far, so good. I don't hear the thumping noise anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and lock the rear diff. Oh, no, we're not reversing. We're driving. All right. Guys, it is gone. Yep. No more noise. This is fixed, guys. All right. Well, just to be safe, I'm gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive. I can leave that one locked. Just want to feel it. Oh, my scanner. Don't drop it. From 25 and higher, I don't hear it anymore. Yep. It's all fixed, guys. I'm going back to the dealership and it's time to go home. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.